everyone. So I'm going to be breaking down my trade analysis on BTC, how I got the sell, because the trade reversed from 1 to 3 area. So I want to talk about what I should have done, how I should have done it, and stuff like that. So now this was the recent market key level, which the market came back into and tapped into it, giving us what this break of structure, indicating that what the market is going bearish. The market is bearish. Yeah. So that was what happened in the market previously. Yeah. What I'm interested in now is the recent break of structure. Now the market gave me this particular recent break of structure. Yeah. After giving us this break of structure, it gave us this key level that looks like it has been tapped. Yeah. So my mistake was I did not confirm if this key level was tapped or not with what that my particular confluence I used to tell you guys about time frame correlation, that you go from weekly to 4 hour, from 4 hour to 1 hour, from 1 hour you can stop at 1 hour, but if you want to get a tighter SL, we go to 15 minutes, 5 minutes to refine, only if you know how to refine. So now my mistake was I did everything on the 4 hour, set my SL on the 4 hour, and also gave you guys signal on the 4 hour. So now this is what I should have done. After finding my key level on the 4 hour, yeah, remember what I was saying? I was saying every week, every longer week here you see on the 4 hour or the daily time frame or the weekly time frame is a key level on the lower time frame. Now I want to go back there to verify my claims. So now I'm going down to my 1 hour. On my 1 hour time frame now, this is my 1 hour time frame. Now you can see that key level that looked like it has already been mitigated was not really mitigated. It was just a trick for support and resistance traders that will feel like, yeah, that particular zone is the resistance zone and very strong and stuff like that. So you understand. So for SMC traders and MSNR traders, we do what we call top-down analysis from higher time frame to lower time frame to confirm if those zones you are trading are valid or they are not valid. Now we had this particular QML here that was not even mitigated by this week. Yeah. So initially now this week will be our what? Our liquidity. This week will be our liquidity. Now you can see how the time frame aligns from 1 hour now aligns with 4 hour. 4 hour was bearish, giving us that break of structure, and 1 hour too is bearish, giving us this break of structure and this liquidity. Now, where is the zone I was supposed to take my trade from? The zone is this particular key level. I can use this QML, I can use this key level. But since the liquidity here is closer to each of them, now it's very, very close. There's no distance, no too much distance from the QML. It might likely take you out based on the kind of stop loss. Do you get? I wish the killer, the what's it called, liquidity was somewhere below, at least lower than this QML or something, but you can see they are almost at the same place. Now that makes our A-shaped, that makes this particular key level here valid. Now going back to the 4 hour, you see that it was just a longer week on the 4 hour. It was just a longer week on the 4 hour. Can you see? It was the longer week, longer points on the 4 hour, which means that like now, this particular week now, this long week now is a key level on the lower time frame. Yeah, but I'm talking about my trade breakdown. So this was how I should have taken that trade. Now, this is it. I've gotten my key level and this, and I can just decide to stop here. Since there is no any other key level again that the market will just decide to maybe go up and take it or something like that. You get? So my entry should be at this place. My entry should be at this place. You can decide to target this particular point or this particular point. If you could remember, we have a setup here at this point, a buy setup, with the market will come back to it to buy. Do you get? So now SL placement now should be, your SL should be above the high that was swept, or above your what is it called, above your key level high. So I hope I'm making sense. Tomorrow now we are going to be looking for a same setup at this point here. There's a key level here, and this is liquidity. So we should be expecting something like this, a reversal to the upside, then boom, sell. This is a sell to buy setup. I hope you guys understand. Thank you. Thank you.